All right, we got this amazing electric foldable bike. I just got it, took it on a quick joyride slash test ride, and it's already brought me an immense amount of joy. It goes up to 35 miles per hour. I think I got up to about 32, and it lasts between 40 to 45 miles. And then to charge it fully, you can charge it fully in between like 5 to 7 hours. And you charge it by right in there, attaching the cord. Let me just go actually get it really quick. This is the charger right here. And you basically, you take this side, put it right in there to connect it, and then you plug this side into the wall. The other way of doing it is fold out, flash some B-roll of me folding the bike right now. And after you fold it, you take the battery out and charge it that way. So that's awesome. If you come, wanted to say the tires, these are 26-inch fat tires, all terrain, as you can see. Look how fat they are. Great for, like, we're out here in the desert, right next to this mountain. Great for riding here. Also can be ridden in the street, the sidewalk, whatever you want to do. It's got this nice suspension right here and in the front as well. Just a great, it's just amazing. I'm not even like an expert. This thing is just, it's easy for me. It's gonna be easy for you. So if you want to come up here, I'll just show you some things really quick. You're gonna want, here's the key right here. Put it in, turn the ignition. Now I'm gonna press this M button, hold it down, and that's gonna turn this screen on right here. So that's gonna show you your speed, this gear. When you're at just 1, you're not gonna be able to go as fast. 2, a little bit faster. If you want to keep it where you can just go as fast as you want, you can just go keep it in 5. And you do that by right here. Let's just go up to 5. And when you're in PAS 5, you can go as fast as, like, you can just go, that's where you can go full speed. Then there's also the gears here, where this is going to affect the chain over here. You want to come around here. You can see there's 7 gears in here because you got these pedals. So pedaling can increase the speed. You can also increase the speed by this spot right here. If I pull it now, it'll actually start going. But if you twist this, that's going to increase the speed. Or you can pedal, you can do both. Amazing. So you know what? I'm actually just going to get on it. Oh, before I get on it, there's this light right here. You press the light, you come around to the front, you can see it. Also, I'll press the horn. Got a nice little horn. I like that. You know what? Let's get on it. I'm going to do a quick ride. I'll do a little ride in the street in a second. Oh, the other thing I want to show you is it's got a nice little phone holder right here. So I got my phone right in here. But let's just do a quick ride in here, and then I'll do one in the street really quick. So here we go. Let's do it. Yeah, I'm doing it. All terrain. Look at this thing, dude. This is crazy. All right, I'm gonna gun it and see how fast I can get until I get to the end here. So here we go. 3, 2. See how fast I can go. All right, we're at 10, 15, 20. All right, so my mic did cut out, but I believe I got up to about, I want to say 31 miles per hour before I hit the end of this street. And then I turned around and the mic is going to cut back in. I think I'm at about 15 miles per hour. 15, 20, 25, 30, 32.6, 32.9. All right. Verdict. Super fun, super high value, great quality, very comfortable seat, especially the seat, and just very easy to use. So straight up, dude, I mean, it's just super fun to use. 30 miles, it gets going to over 30 miles per hour relatively easily and quickly. This is what you need right here. So highly recommend.